Hey guys, what's up? This is your proud Bistak boy, Chito Samuntina, and I am back with another food trip video. But this one here is really pretty interesting, so hear me out. I'm talking about pop-up food truck din sa Davao City. So excited kayo ko because this is my first time to experience a pop-up food truck because I only get to see this sa mga movies. If naamay existing a pop-up food truck din sa Davao, wala na ako napansin, pasayluwag yapon ko ninyo. Yup, like what I said, I found this really interesting, okay, especially sa panahon sa pandemic. I noticed a lot of food businesses kay nag-close while some mas naging successful pa noon. Kanisi Kaizen. It has already become a Davao brand pag abot sa Japanese street dining experience or street dining experience in general. Kana bitong how they innovate sa ilahang food business. Makaingon yung bright magigaayo na yung mga tag-iyan. By the way, si Chef Dana and Chang.
Currently, the pop-up community in Davao City has been growing. Has been growing beautifully. So we thought of this is the perfect time to actually launch our vision. Having a store to move from one place to one place.
The main favorites of our regulars are our Duterte roll and then our ramen, especially the Kaizen original ramen.
Mingaw ko na. Walay paglubad. Dami gabon.
Mag-amping mong tanan and God bless you.
It's really innovative.